The Bible records in the Gospels different pictures and different images of Jesus to help different people, different cultures understand who he is. He's the bread of life so that bakers can understand. He's the creator so that artists can understand. He's the water of life so that plumbers can understand. He's the light of the world so that electricians can understand. He is the firstborn so that pediatricians can understand. He's the chief cornerstone so that architects can understand. He is the foundation stone so that builders can understand. He is the morning star so that astronomers can understand. He is the hidden treasure so that bankers can understand. He is life so that biologists can understand. He is the door so that carpenters can understand. He is the great physician so that doctors and nurses can understand. He is the good teacher so that educators can understand. He is the lily of the valley so that florists can understand. He is the rose of Sharon so that gardeners can understand. He is the rock of ages so that geologists can understand. He is the true vine so that horticulturalists can understand. He is the bridegroom so that wedding planners can understand. He is the righteous one so that judges can understand. He is the advocate so that lawyers can understand. He is the judge so that criminals can understand. He is the pearl of great price so that jewelers can understand. He is wisdom so that philosophers can understand. He is the wonderful counselor so that psychotherapists can understand. He is the word so that lexicographers can understand. He is the good shepherd so that farmers can understand. He is the captain so that the navy and the army can understand. He is the Alpha and the Omega so that scientists can understand. He is wind so that meteorologists can understand. He is the way so that cartographers can understand. He is the deliverer so that postmen can understand. He is the mediator so that United Nations can understand. He is the Lion of Judah so that zookeepers can understand. He is the Lamb so that vets can understand. He is the resurrection so that undertakers can understand. He is the rider on the white horse so that jockeys can understand. He is the indescribable gift so that shoppers can understand. He is refuge so that refugees can understand. He is shelter so that homeless people can understand. He is the Father so that orphans can understand. He is the truth so that politicians can understand. Jesus is the one.